In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments with Payoneer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request a payment from a client and make sure everything is set up correctly for a smooth transfer. Start by opening your browser and searching for Payoneer. When the results load, click the official Payoneer website. Take a second to verify you're on the correct domain with a secure lock icon in the address bar. This helps you avoid lookalike sites and protects your account. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account. Use strong credentials, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well. If your account is new, you might occasionally see verification prompts. That's normal and helps keep payments compliant. After you're in, look to the top menu and open the Receive tab. This is where all incoming payment tools live. From there, choose Receiving Accounts. These are your local collection accounts in different currencies, which let clients pay you as if you had a local bank account in their region. It's helpful to know which currencies you already have enabled so you can match the request to your client's preferences. Next, select Request a Payment. This opens the payment request form. You'll first choose who is paying you. If your client is already in your contacts, select them from the list. If not, you can add them as a new payer so you have their details saved for future invoices. Now add the payer details. Enter accurate business or individual information so the request goes to the right person. Double-check the email address and country, as these can affect how the payment is processed and which methods are available to them. Then fill in the request specifics. Set the amount and choose the correct currency to minimize unnecessary conversion. Add a clear description of the work or product, include any reference numbers, and set a reasonable payment due date. If your account supports it, confirm the name you're requesting payment as, especially if you operate under a registered business name. Transparency here helps your payer recognize the invoice quickly and reduces questions or delays. Attach supporting documents to strengthen your request. Good options include a formal invoice, contract, purchase order, or a completion note. Keep files professional and avoid including sensitive personal data. Clear documentation often speeds up approvals and payments. When everything looks right, click Request Payment. You'll see a confirmation, and your payer will receive the request with instructions. You can return to your dashboard to track the status. Once paid, the funds will appear in your Payoneer balance according to processing times for the chosen method. That's it. You've successfully created and sent a payment request in Payoneer, setting yourself up to get paid with confidence and clarity.